Two superpowers have been spent months targeting Iran. Yet, even after 5 months of conflict, they still have a managed to the defeat. Now, reports suggest that the United States may be looking for the May out. But why? Is America running law on this Patriot and third intercepted missile? And this and has a war because of this steel and financial holding from the President Donald J. Trump. Let's break down it's from the Washington on this hedge because of this difficult definition. If the US pulls back now, Iran could going great control over the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most intercepted oil shipping route. But this is war continuously. America will keeping consistency Iranian number of this expensive Patriot and third air defense missile. According to the Censor US missiles official, America stock of these air defense interceptors has been sinking. Rising question about how long such a operation can be continuously. But the only part of this problem, Iran continuously to target US missiles across the Middle East using to the returning drones and the ballistic missile. To stop those attacks, the US often has been launched a Patriot and third intercepted missile that costs from the drones and the disaster to destroy. This is the Kester ceasefire of this economic change. Imagine using missiles worth the missiles to shoot down of these drones facing to that the bird. But the real question is expensive. The interceptor is the real question. Is what happened? Those the drones are the not intercepted. The damage to the missiles bases, infrastructure and regional security could be for greater that the rise US bigger of this question of this United States have been end of this conflict. It will eventually have a fire diplomatic word. This is the Iran over the night. Any diplomacy shipping thoughts of the Strait of Hormuz could have the global consequences after the event markets and the international trade route and that have been the major change of this President Trump. If no meaningful negotiation talk because of this consistency, day of the risk cold of this continually to grow, not just for a regional but the entire world. Now it you trust you this conflict. This is the simply basically United States was its possible it both Iran and Israel agree to the stealth. Share your thought in the comment section. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you for your watching.